Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. My name's Roxanne and welcome to my channel. If you are not new, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you clicking on the video. I'm in the midst of recording another video, a first impression on the foundation, and I was getting ready and I was going to start putting my false lashes on, and I was like, you know what, I bought something at Ulta yesterday when I bought this foundation to try it out because I wanted to find out if it was a gimmick or not, and I thought, let me go ahead and pop on here and try it on camera so you guys can all see if it's a gimmick as well. So here we go. This just came out. It's by the brand Eylure, and it is a Blend and Care False Eyelash Blending Mascara. And this is what it looks like. So it says that it blends natural and false lashes together, and it's enriched with strengthening bamboo. So yeah, or smoothing non-drag brush, and it has some pictures. So right here, it has a picture like before the mascara with lashes, and then it has a picture of after. And I thought that was really cool, but I wanted to find out if it was a gimmick or not. So this one right here, it says no more gaps, and then this one right here, it says blend away. So I guess you're supposed to use it before and after you put your lashes on. And I forgot, and so I had put some other mascara on, but I'm like, well, is it really that important to put this on before your lashes? But I wanted to give it the true test. So I'm gonna try it with you guys on camera. I'm gonna add a little bit to it, or to my lashes before I put my falsies on. And then I'm actually like gonna see if it works or if it's just a gimmick. And this was $7.99 at Ulta. And it says that it has strengthening bamboo, nourishing black quinoa, soothing aloe vera, and conditioning nettle leaf extract. And it just says step 1, apply, blend, and care to natural lashes. Step 2, next pop on your false lashes and allow to dry. And then step 3, reapply, blend, and care, and you're good to go. So the claim says that their expert team of beauty experts have created this unique buildable blending formula. Blend your natural lashes to your falsies with a few strokes from the soothing wand, and you'll have a beautiful blended single lash. Yeah, right. Let's try it. So the wand looks like this. It's just like a normal mascara wand, which is really odd. Just get it in this little tube, and again, this is by Eylure, so it just comes with this little like protective cap. So I'm going to just put a little bit of this on top of the mascara I have on now. So let's just take this. I've already applied the Laura Geller Lash Boss. Let's go ahead and just add this to the top of the Laura Geller mascara. I mean, it's not gonna get a fair shot, but that's okay. Basically, I'm just tempted to find out if it actually blends the lashes in together, because I'm like, well, won't just regular mascara do that too? And I guess it kind of depends on how like a person puts them on or whatever, but I don't know, we'll see. I don't know really like what the difference is between this and a regular mascara. I mean, okay, but I was curious because I'm always like interested to see if like things are gimmicks or not, but yeah. Okay, so I've applied a little bit of this to my lashes before the falsies. Okay, so I'm going to actually apply my false lashes off camera because it takes me a minute, and then I'm going to come back on. We are going to try out this gimmicky mascara, and then I will tell you guys my final thoughts. Really quickly, before I go in to apply my lashes, I just wanted you guys to see which ones I'm going to apply. I picked up these yesterday from Ulta. I guess they're newer from Kiss. I'm going to be doing probably a review on these as well. I picked up multiple styles. So let's see. I think I'm gonna go with the ones that are like gonna be most effective with this mascara. So I'm gonna go in with the Chignon lashes, and again, these are from Kiss and they're like brand new. I haven't tried Kiss lashes in a really long time, but they say full bouncy volume and curl, and they're next gen wispy. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these off camera, and then I will let you guys know my thoughts. Yeah, I keep just popping back on here. Okay, so I'm also going to be trying out in this video the new Eylure Vegas Nail Eyelash Adhesive. It just looks like this, and it's waterproof. And I've never tried Eylure adhesive before. I'm like a duo girl. So I'm probably going to be taking my duo out with me today just in case. But it just looks like this in this little tubey tube here. And I want to try this because I'm always looking for waterproof eyelash adhesive. So this is a clear finish, and the claim on this just says, well, it's rubber and it has latex. So if you're allergic to latex, you probably don't want to try this. But it just says, yeah, basically to wait 20-30 seconds like normal. So I'm going to try this out too while I'm trying out this mascara from Eylure, and just give you guys my thoughts on kind of both of them. So yeah, this one says #1 beauty guru. Vegas Nay is the Instagram #1 beauty guru. I didn't know that. Anyway, so there's 8.5 mils in here. It says all day wear. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I finished my eyes, and I think I chose like the perfect lashes to try out this mascara, because there is such a huge disconnect between my regular lashes and my falsies, and normally I would cover that with eyeliner, which I may still have to do if this doesn't work, but I wanted to give this a chance. So let's see if it really does connect the two. So here we go. I'm just gonna go in and do what it says. Yeah, see, I don't know how a mascara could do what an eyeliner is supposed to do by connecting the two lashes, you know? Like, I totally feel like this is a gimmick, because I mean, I understand that like it probably helps connect the two, so it looks like you just have lashes on, or you just have natural lashes, whatever, but there's no way that this is gonna fill in that line. It's just not. Let's try this other eye just to be. I don't know, I just don't see how it's gonna work. Like, it still looks like there's a huge disconnect in my eyes, and you guys see? I would never go out like that. I mean, there's like a huge. I may keep this just because I like how it applies to falsies, but I would never not like add an eyeliner. Like, this is not gonna take the place of my eyeliner at all. See, there's just like still a huge line in between. I mean, it applies really nice to false lashes, you guys, like, it really does. So I may keep it for that, but I mean, people are gonna be able to notice, you know? It's not like a magical mascara where it like automatically looks like you don't have falsies on. I really think that this is a gimmick. I mean, it's a nice mascara, but it definitely, I don't know. Now let me show you guys the difference when I apply my liner. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna take MAC's Rapid Black, the penultimate liner, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. this is my trick. This is how I blend in my lashes. And if I don't do this step, it feels like I like missed something huge on my face. So for those of you wondering like how to get your false lashes to blend in with your natural lashes, don't buy that mascara, first of all. And I mean, it's not a bad mascara, but it's definitely a gimmick, you know. I do like the way it applies on top of false lashes, like it doesn't clump them up, and I really like that. So I think I'll actually keep this around. Yeah, just because I like that. Alright, so final thoughts. I like the mascara, but not for the purpose. I definitely think it's a gimmick. This Eylure glue is really, really good. The only problem it gave me was a little bit in my inner corner. I had to go in with some Duo, but otherwise it's really strong. I really, really like it. I know I'm going to give it a shot for the rest of the day. It is waterproof, so I want to see if that really holds up, because sometimes I have really bad watery eyes, but definitely I'm going to try this out. I think that it has potential. And these lashes are beautiful. They're super stunning. Again, these are the new Kiss blowout lashes. I really love them. But yeah, I don't know, the mascara, it was $7.99. It's not a huge loss, but it's definitely a gimmick, so I probably wouldn't pick it up if I were you guys. You know, it's not what it, I don't know, maybe I did it wrong. I'll try it a couple more times, but yeah, so I have to go finish my other video now, you guys. This was just a quick little try out on camera type thing. So if you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have tried this particular item or this particular product, and let me know how it worked for you, if you liked it, if I did something wrong. I don't know. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so before you go. I would really appreciate you becoming a part of the Edgy fam, or click that notification bell so you know when I upload videos. I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, you guys. Have a great day. Be good and be good to each other. Mwah. Bye.
Don't let me down.